Hey, Nikki Brown here, and I'm back. So, I just wanted to give you a little update on the Nutella crepe. So, I made some more um, of the almond butter and cocoa mixture, right? And I took some more peaches and I pulsed them. I did not add lemon juice or more agave. So here's my puree, and I'm just gonna add just add those peaches. I got a chunky piece. So I did make it a little chunkier, basically. So and I don't mind the peach pieces, but this one I'm gonna eat. That's actually what I wanted, a little bit more chunks of peach. So I just wash this off, and I'm gonna stir it. And now it's a little chunkier. So now I paid attention to my wrap to make sure that I didn't let it stay on one side too long and overcook it this time. Oh, and I decided that I was going to add some yogurt. So I have the organic probiotic cashew milk yogurt, just to give it a little bit of like a creaminess, because you will normally put like a whipped cream if you have this at a restaurant. So I didn't want to put a whole lot, but just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. A little bit, baby. So, here we go. We're going to, I hope you can see this. All right. Let's put all right, so we'll fold her up, and then we'll take this in first and fold her over, and then roll her up. And we got a little bit of spillage, but that's okay.